So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert a text file, or you can convert PDF, a book in document form into an audio file. In this time, it's very difficult to have all the time to yourself reading books, so it becomes very difficult to read book, though you have the urge to read or you desire to read more, but because you don't have much time to read, you end up not being able to read. But this software called Dexshare Text Speaker gives you the opportunity to convert all your books in form of PDF, in documents, form, HTML form. It supports all this type of RTF. It supports it, and this software, as I said, it basically gives you the opportunity to convert all this readable text into an audio file that you can listen to it wherever you are, when you're going to work, when it's at break time at work. You can read at your leisure time. You can just listen to it when you are lying down relaxing. So I think this software gives us the basic opportunity for us to read when you don't have the time to do it. So let's head straight into it and see how we can go about it. So when you are ready to do so, you must first of all get your book into the working area, or where the test will show, so let's go and get our test. I've already opened some tests here, so let me click on this one and let's open it and start it from there. So when the test has already okay, so we have it now. So now this is the test, or this is the book. The title of the book is it's down here, The Greatest Power in the Whole World, written by Katri Kuhlman, the great woman of God. And you may not have the time to read it, but this software gives you the opportunity to convert it to audio file that you can listen to it wherever you are. And the beautiful thing is that the voice in this software is kind of more natural. It's not something you cannot associate yourself or kind of relate with. It's very natural, and it read very well. So let's see how we can do it. So you click on the convert to audio button, and then it will display this pop-up icon. So when the pop-up icon is displayed, you have to do some few changes according to what you want to do. So we can convert our file into MP3 or WAV. These are the two formats we have. And when you have the MP3, you can choose to use a very high quality sound, or you can produce a very high quality sound, but the size will be very large. And you can also produce a very high, or let's say high, but the size will also be large, and then normal one, small size, and then very low, you have a very small size. And then the frequency, the higher the frequency, the higher the quality, but the larger the size. So you must have that in mind. And the same happens to the constant bit rates. One beautiful thing about this software is that you can add a song or a background music whilst it reads. So with this one, you must always adjust the volume to a very low tone. You must be very low so that it doesn't take over from, like, you don't it doesn't distract the reading of the book. So you must make sure that the volume is very low if you want to add a background sound. And here we have the destination where you want the output of the file to be. So you can just choose in your machine or on your computer, and then choose wherever you want it to be saved. If you don't want that one, you can just untick it and you are done. Let's also look for the WAV, some specification. With that one, you have the audio compressor, and we have PCM, we have CCITT, a law. That one is quite better compared to the PCM, and also give you a very low space, or let's say size of the file. The same happened to the CCITTU law, and that is the compressor for you. And then the channel, you can use stereo. In this case, we don't have a joint stereo and then also stereo. You have only stereo. And then the frequency, you can, I mean, the minimum or the normal one is 48 kilohertz. And if you want a very high quality sound, you can choose higher than that, but make sure or have it in mind that the size of the file will increase. And then the same happen to the bit depth. If you have a very high bit depth, is very good, especially for commercial purposes. If you want to, I mean, put this video on YouTube or the audio on YouTube, you must have a very, sound. The sound quality must be very high, and you must choose a very high bitrate. It can be 24, it can be 20. Here we have 16 and 8. You can choose a higher one, and that will be good for you. So as I said, you just choose the destination of where the file have to be, and then you are cool to go. So when you are done with all this one, all you have to do is to just hit on the OK button, and then your file will start be converted. You start converting it, and I think it will take quite a number of time. Sometimes depending on the size of the book. If you have many pages, it's very, if it's very large, that one it will take some time. So basically, this is how you can use test speaker to convert all your PDFs, your books, or readable files into audio that will help you read whenever you don't have the time to look into it physically and do that. So I believe you've learned something here, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification button so that when there is new video, you'll be updated. And see you in the next video. So once again, thank you for your time, thank you for watching.